It's a chore that simply has to be done once in a while, defrosting your freezer. After a while, a layer of ice will build up inside the freezer and it costs a lot of energy, so it will drive up your electricity bill as well. Plus, it will also cause difficulty when it comes to putting things away or closing the door. Very annoying. But defrosting the thing? That takes way too much time and effort. At least, that's what people think. It's actually very easy. Cooler bag. Everybody hates this chore, because it always causes such a mess and you first have to eat everything that's still in your freezer. It turns out that neither of those two things are true. As for the food, you only need a large insulated cooler bag and some cooling elements. Just place your food in the bag while you're busy defrosting the freezer, and it will be fine. Defrosting. The first thing you do is turn off your freezer and take everything out of it. Place all of the foods in the prepared cooler bag and get to work on your freezer. Fill a spray bottle with very hot water. If you want, you can add a little bit of all-purpose cleaner. Place a small towel inside the freezer and use the spray bottle to spray the hot water onto the ice that's stuck in the freezer. Use a plastic or wooden spatula to chip away at the ice. Never use a sharp knife. Chances are you'll slip and you'll prick the knife straight through the cooling elements in the walls of the freezer. You'll notice the ice will come off very easily because of the hot water. Remove the towel with the ice on it and wipe away the water that's left in the freezer using a cloth. Then, turn the freezer back on and fill it with all of the foods you put in the cooler bag. Do wipe away any ice from the food products. Defrosting your freezer is a necessary evil, and with the trick we explained on the previous page, it's not that difficult at all. But it can be even easier. After you've defrosted your freezer, you can use this simple trick to make sure it takes even less time to defrost your freezer the next time. Baking spray. The miracle product you need is baking spray. The next time you've completely cleaned your freezer, spray some cooking or baking spray on the inside. The baking spray will make the walls of your freezer slick, which means the ice that will accumulate there will be much easier to remove the next time. You can use this trick for other things as well. Spray some cooking spray on your car doors when it's snowing outside, that way your car doors won't freeze shut.